Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your internet and router are stable. Call or check ISP status if needed. Next, plug directly into Ethernet and disable wireless so packets take a single path. Once done, quit Cloud Sync, game launchers, and heavy downloads to free bandwidth and CPU. Make sure your PC's power plan is set to performance and that Windows updates are paused. These steps reduce jitter and large packet loss spikes before we tweak software-level settings. Now you tune both Valorant and your operating system. Lower render scale and cap FPS to stabilize frame timing, and turn off VSync to reduce input buffering. Then change your DNS to a fast resolver and disable unnecessary network adapters so traffic is predictably routed. Once done, open Task Manager to set Riot Client and Valorant to high priority and enable router co-S for your PC's IP address. This ensures your game packets finish by rebooting modem, router, and your PC to apply all changes, then run a traceroute and in-game ping test to confirm improvements. If latency remains high, try connecting via a mobile hotspot or different server to identify whether the issue is local or upstream. Make sure to update your network adapter drivers and replace old Ethernet cables if needed. If problems persist, collect Riot client logs and traceroute output before contacting support so you can show exactly where packets are being dropped.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.